Hello everyone, welcome back to Centrics. Well, today we are gonna be playing Attack of the PETSCII Robots Shaver. Shaver is like just like a limited version of the game. Well, you might be thinking, what is Attack of the PETSCII Robots? Well, Attack of the PETSCII Robots is a 2021 game created for a computer in 1977. Well, it sounds very funny, but yes, it is. There are few people out there who still create games for a 1977 computer. This has to run on a Commodore PET with 32K of memory. Or if you're using an emulator, you can just use a CBM 4032. Well, I recently downloaded this game when I knew that there was a shareware version. So, at first, before anything, I just want to show you something. And difficulty, if you change it, that lines mean serious. Those lines mean angry. These lines mean, yeah, let's take it easy. Map, there's a research lab and there's the islands. Well, I have tried it both already and I'm gonna tell you research lab is much more easier than I think the islands. Well, first things first, I want to show you our controls. Because I've seen in many tutorials, they don't tell exactly everything. For example, if the start game, you have to press the space bar. Don't press the enter button in an emulator or the restore button in a real machine. Wait, did that have a restore button? Well, I don't know. If they did not, I don't know what button to use to. But if you're using an emulator, press the spacebar button. Don't press the enter button. Enter button is not going to give you anything. See, like this, simple details they don't give you, and you get stuck on the start screen instance. You select map also. You want to change? Use a spacebar. Use a spacebar for anything. Controls. No, I want to use keyboard only. No, I'm not going to use any custom keys. Well, start game spacebar. So it's now loading map to the islands. Wait. I've only map 1 the research lab. I've been playing that. Well, it's okay. I know what to do. I'm destined getting out in this game. Well, I know what to do. Just somehow find a way to go inside the research lab. Find a robot. I mean, you can't even shoot these robots without pistols so that they can attack you until you die. You need a weapon first. Okay, first let me use this so that I can go to a robot, you know. Actually, there's a rollerboat here. So yeah, let me just take my time to die. See, I'm dying. I'm going after him so that I can die. I'm dead. See, this is not how you should play a game. If you want to play a game, you play it perfectly. Don't play like me. Yeah, by the way, in the information section, sitting here, welcome to Pet Robots by David Murray. Or Murray. I don't know, sorry. But I don't know how to pronounce it. 2021. So, in for this, I press the space bar. Of course, I'll only ask you 45 seconds, but that's what I wanted. Well, now we are gonna set research lab, and now we are gonna start. Now we are gonna play the real game. Well, actually, he's also not the 8-bit guy, and if you can go onto his channel, or I can put the links in the description. Wait a minute. No need. You go to his channel itself. If you want, I can put the links in the description for the shareware. Yeah, I'll do that. I'll put the links in the description for the shareware. Well, now first, what do I recommend doing? Don't just run away anywhere. The research lab is always try to follow a path. And by the way, I forgot to mention one thing. Try to search your lander. Press Z. Okay. Now, first highlight the man. Now, where do you want to search? Is it located on top of the screen or on the bottom of the screen? For me, it's located at top of the menu. So I just press the cursor key, in the cursor key, that's the top one. Now searching, well, I got a gun with 200 bullets. Well, if this was regular serious mode, you could get it 100 bullets. One gun with 100 bullets. And if you have it in, I don't know, if you have it in hard mode, I have never tried hard mode. I'm not gonna try hard mode. I'm just gonna get killed in a second, so I don't wanna have a risk. So well, let us follow this path. Well, this looks weird, doesn't it? Like as if he's moving with some. Well, what is this? Tell me, please. Let's put a Z on this. No, nothing found. Okay, now let's just move into the lab. I like how he opens the doors. Yeah. Now, next thing I suggest is to search some desk in the main lobby. I think you find a, yeah, house. That's kind of like, I find a key card. Well, now here I have this robot here. Well, I'm going to try to kill that robot. Yeah, it's coming after me. Oh no, I don't know how to back up. Yeah, looks like I used 23 rounds for a robot. Of course, that is just me. There we go. No. I think it takes much more time. Oh no, it's me. I need to find a medkit. Oh, maybe you don't know what is a medkit. Well, I'm not gonna show you the book for this thing, the manual, because you know there are a few reasons why I don't want to show you the manual for you. Well, oh yeah, I found a medkit. Let me press the space bar. Because when you're in the game and you use a space bar, it means use item. And what is the item in there? The medkit. So press use item. Now it's gonna use 18. Oh yeah, not the 18. You subtract 24 with 18. Those many points of use for you to recover your health. Well now, if I wanted to, I could just shoot that bottle kind of thing with a chemical. So to shoot that, yeah, right. To shoot that, it's gonna blast and yeah. But actually, I don't want to do that because. Oh no. Well, sorry guys, it was just a phone call. Okay. Sorry, it was just a phone call. Please ignore it. Yes. Well, I don't want to shoot anything. Okay, PETSCII robots. Let's search this box now. So very interested to search this box. What is this box? Ooh, I found another pistol. Yeah. Oh, I'm searching. Ah, man. So today I want to show you a new feature. So like that you can do it. Press N, select that thing, then press the space for it to move. Next time I want to search that crate or the box or whatever you call it. Yo, I found a time bomb. Yoo-hoo. Well, and this is just a game. Wrench here. Not crunch. What is crunch here? Well, as this is a chemical bottle, and I have my favorite enemy right here. My favorite enemy is the wheeler bot. I have never met the evil bot actually. The bottom, the guy who's moving. No. The guy who's gonna kill somebody. He's the evil bot. Well, I don't know what to do with the evil bot. Oh no. I should have guessed that, right? I should have been smart. Well, that's a chemical, so if you shoot it, it's gonna go. Well, I forgot even to show you the time bomb. Well, no worries, we're gonna play it again. Okay, so it's loading. Okay, So of course we're gonna search Orlando like usual. Where do you get a pistol, right? I wonder. Okay, now you have to go inside fast. Oh, by the way, I forgot to tell you there's a next section in this thing, which actually leads to something. It's all the same. It's all. Oh, well, we have headquarters. You have rooms. Maybe for the scientists to sleep who created this robot. You wait a minute. Oh, wait. I found something more interesting than a time bomb. Time bomb you can see it any time in your life, but this is something that you can't see. Or shall I forget unless you don't share. Which I don't actually recommend. Okay, so we saw this here, and what I recommend to do is actually go in here. I checked all the bits before, so I just recommend not to waste your time in there. Yeah, see. Now this looks suspicious, don't you think? I don't know, it looks very suspicious. I mean, why would you have your own dining table? Ah, I found another key card. That's why it looks so suspicious. Oh, let's check on the side of the table. So, have to check the table 2 times. One side is on this side. So I usually don't miss it out. Wait, there's still more beds in here. Oh my goodness. I don't know. I'm finding a lot of things this time. Before I call it. Ah, I found another pistol with 55 shots. Oh no, I just wasted a shot just for no reason. Well, it's loading. Ah, nothing found in here. Well, let us log this. Sometimes you find a key card, but you don't find what that key card's for. Well, I still have a key card here. Well, yeah. Improved, right? Okay. Now it's time to battle some bats. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. It's time to battle some bots. Um, wait, let's go somewhere better. Let's go here. First, let's fight this bot. Oh, I'm just wasting ammunition. Oh, sorry, I'm just wasting ammunition. I don't think you can hear it properly. Yes, that's dead. That's dead. Yeah, that's also dead. Of course, I'm making a lot. It's very difficult for me to win this game usually. Okay, well, let's go. Yeah, now this is one last time. Shoot. That's, ouch, yeah. Now, well, let's move on. I was just something or so. Oh, medkit. Yeah, of course you get medkit. That's the most common thing. Because every time I play, you get a medkit, okay? Oh, I got a refresh, I guess. By the way, those two don't have anything. We don't have those. Oh, I found another pixel. Oh, sorry. I didn't found your thing. Well, now let us move. Let's set that or search that. Well, I found a time bomb, which I want to show you. Well, I want to show it against my greatest enemy. He's known as a rollerbot. Oh my goodness, it's gonna take a lot of time to move this chemical, I think. It's gonna take a lot of time to move this chemical. how you use the time bomb, Lucas. Well, I want to show you what the chemical does. So I want to play another game so that I can show you what the chemical does. Well, I'm just gonna show you for what the chemical does, and that's it. I'm gonna leave it. I'm not even gonna show you the items because I want to go. I want you to go Saber. Well, I'm not sponsored. You must be knowing that because I'm not much of a YouTuber right now. Well, I'm just saying like that. Not much of a YouTuber right now because I hope that I'll become a good YouTuber one day. So now I just want to show you what a liquid does, that chemical liquid. Well, I just wanted to, okay, let's go in this alley. Let me just shoot the chemical. Yeah, nice. Empty solid phrase, leaving me only for the medkit. Well, then found the medkit, right? Medkit. Well, I think that's it for this video, guys. Well, of course, I should have done some shots on this before releasing the video. Or maybe before releasing it, I always make a shot to this back, okay? So that looks nice. Interesting. Well, just go see this. Well, subscribe to my channel and, you know, see me play much more things. See me die. And I'll be using my help. When it comes like almost to the stage when I'm gonna die fully, I'm gonna rewind my health kit. Well, yeah, I'm dead. Okay, now just. Okay. Just ignore this. Oh my goodness, let me escape, dude. Oh, how is he gonna kill me now? Ooh, okay, I'm dead. It's okay, leave it. Okay, so thank you for this. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.